What's up, YouTube? This is Richard Skeletor, and today we're going to be talking about the master phrase. The master phrase that makes you the master manifestor. Now, what could it be? Well, later on in this video, I'm going to tell you all about it, but stay tuned for that. So let's talk about why this is important to have the master phrase to manifest. Well, you got to become God. That's what the master phrase will do for you. You got to believe in yourself. You got to believe in your manifestational abilities. If you don't believe in your manifestational abilities, you're not going to be able to manifest. The reason this is because we doubt ourselves. We doubt the power that we have in us. Most people doubt the power. They doubt their manifestational abilities. They've tried processes before and they've failed. Why did the processes they tried fail? Let's say they tried visualization, affirmation, scripting, and there's meditation, to try to change your self-image, your self-concept about yourself to manifest. So you have to become a master manifest. You have to believe in your thoughts create your reality. You got to believe in the function that I am one with God and I can create anything. The universe has my back. Me and Source are one. Stuff like that. It's kind of the idea of what you're trying to get with. Jesus said, I and the Father are one, which means I and God are one. So it's all the same thing. Well, how do you get to that state of being? How do you get to that knowingness? Getting to that knowingness is the key to manifesting, is the key building blocks of the foundation of your power. It's your power when you connect. It's your power when you have that faith within that ability to get what you want. So without further ado, I'm going to give you the phrase now and explain to you why it works. The phrase is, I'm a successful and confident manifestor that gets everything they focus on. All things I want to manifest come quickly and easily to me with no effort. Manifesting is very easily and effortless for me. I'm going to read that again. I'm a successful, confident manifestor that gets everything they focus on. All things I want to manifest come quickly, easily, and effortless to me with no effort. Manifest is very easily and effortless for me. Manifesting is very easily and effortless for me. Hope I said that right. Well, anyways, I'm going to put it up there if I didn't say it right exactly. That's the phrase you need to say on a daily basis. Now, by doing this phrase, we're going to break it down of why it makes you a successful manifestor. Because when you shift to that that self-concept or that self-identity, what that will do for you, it will change the way that you manifest, because now you have the power. So let's break it down in the first sentence. I'm a successful, confident manifestor that gets everything they focus on. Well, if that was your self-identity and self-concept, that I'm a successful, confident manifestor that gets everything they focus on, that's telling the universe, God, that guess what? I am that power. I am that confidence. I am that success, and I'm going to get it. When you have that thing, because that's going to block the doubt from coming in. So let's go to the next sentence. All things I want to manifest come quickly and easily to me with no effort. So you're telling that self-confidence or self-identity that things are going to come easily and effortless to me, because I am that power and I want things to come in that way. Wouldn't it be beautiful just to focus on something one time and it just show up? Like, oh, that was easy. Oh, that pile of money, that was easy. Oh, manifesting that cup of coffee, that was easy. When you have the mindset of that, guess what? Manifesting that cup of coffee, that parking space, because we think those things are easier, manifesting a pile of money will just come naturally. It'll all be the same thing because you believe in that power within you. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is, hang on a second. Manifesting is very easily and effortless for me. Manifesting is very easily and effortless for me. So once again, we're reinforcing all the rest of those sentences, that manifesting is very easily and effortless for me, because we want to have that ability that when we go into something, that it just shows up easily and effortlessly. There's no work involved. There's no effort. If there's no effort, guess what? There's no struggle. If there's no struggle, there's less resistance, because you have no resistance and there's no doubt. So that's the master phrase I want to leave with you guys today. This is going to be a very short video. This will help you get there. Say this phrase. I would say this phrase in the morning, noon, and night. Try this phrase. Do it for 3 to 5 minutes every day. At least twice a day. 3 times a day would be best. Go ahead and give it a try. Try this simple phrase. I'm gonna put the phrase up here. Haven't done it yet when I do the video editing, but I'm gonna put it up there. And I want you guys to look at this phrase. write down this phrase, memorize this phrase, try it out for a week and see what shows up. Try it out and see how you feel about your manifestational abilities. See about how that you look at yourself. Am I doubting my manifestation? Am I feeling confident things are on their way to me? See how it feels. See how it feels to shift your identity of who you are. All right, guys, talk to you later. Have a good day. Give us a try. Bye.